Alright, let's bring in with the bike check. We have a sunbacker rim. I have a We the People tire, as you see. When I got the bike, I had a little dent in the frame right there. I got a fox sticker, which is for giggles. Got a KMT chain. I got some fit cranks that came on in stock. I really don't know what that sprocket is, but I got some animal pedals. I got an Odyssey Aiken seat. I got a stock fit seat clamp. I don't really know what these handlebars and stem is, but yeah, they work. Got some grips, King Alpha, and for you right here I have my fit forks. Got an Odyssey dirt path tire. Got a Alien Nation rim, and that's my bike check. Thanks for watching.